let us discuss few basics about mole concept. So what is mole concept? Mole concept is used to measure substances. It is a parameter or a quantity which we use to measure substances. Measuring quantity of substances. How we use to for measuring liquids, liters. Similarly, to measure solids, kgs. In the same way, in chemistry, to measure the substances, they may be molecules or they may be atoms or there may be substances or a compound. We use mole concept. So next, coming to the units. Generally, the SI units we use, this is nothing but mole. So the measuring units, SI units is mole. Mole is an SI unit. Mole is a word which we derived from Latin, where moles, in Latin, moles means mass. The word mole is derived from the Latin word, that is moles. Moles means mass. Coming to the next. So 1 mole of any substance is equal to Avogadro number of entities. 1 mole of any substance is equal to 1 mole of any substance. It may be atom, molecule or ion or whatever it is. 1 mole is equal to always 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay, which is called Avogadro number. This is Avogadro number. And the volume of 1 mole of gas generally occupies 22.4 liters at standard temperature and pressure. That we call as gram molecular volume. So one more point I am going to explain here. What is gram molecular or molar volume? It is nothing but the volume of gas that occupies at standard temperature and pressure is always equal to 22.4 liters. This is called gram molecular volume. So how can we write simply this one? Gram molecular volume is equal to 22.4 liters. 22.4 liters where at standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature and pressure. Similarly, one more term I am going to define here, that is, what is Faraday? What is a Faraday? The charge carried by 1 mole of electrons is called 1 Faraday. The charge carried by 1 mole of electrons is called 1 Faraday. Similarly, we have relations between gram. So we discussed already the relation between gram molecular volume here. Similarly, we have relation between gram molecular volumes, gram molecular weight and mole of the substance. So when 1 mole of a substance of 1 gram molecular weight, if you take, then we call this one as gram mole. Gram mole. What is gram mole means? 1 mole of substance of 1 gram molecular weight is said to be a gram mole. Similarly, we can write gram atom. 1 mole of an element How can we write gram atom? 1 mole of substance if you take, we have to call it as gram mole. So if I take element, means like single type of atoms, that will be equal to 1 gram atomic weight. In other words, we call it as gram atom. We call it as gram atom. Okay. Similarly, one more definition I am going to give here, that is last one, molar mass. Molar mass. How can we define molar mass? Molar mass can be defined as mass of substance in grams divided by amount of substance in moles. So mass of the substance should be in grams. In grams divided by amount of substance. Amount means in what terminology we are using to indicate amount? Mole. Okay. So if you take this ratio, you are going to get molar mass. What are the units for this? The units for molar mass are gram per mole. Gram per mole. So these are the few things that we have to know in mole concept. Mole is a simple measuring term that we use to measure the substances, and generally the units for mole is the units that we mention is mole. So 1 mole of any substance is to have these many number of atoms, which we call it as Avogadro number, and the rest of them are the simple definitions that I gave. Just you follow them. They are very useful to do so many problems in stoichiometry. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.